Hi everyone, I'm Clayton with Forbes AAC, and today I want to show you how you can send and receive text messages by pairing your phone right to our WinSlate, and that will enable you to control your phone using alternate access methods like eye tracking in this example. So I've already paired the WinSlate to this Android phone via Bluetooth, and now I'm going to show you how we can control that with our WinSlate. So I'm going to push the WinSlate back here, and I'm going to bring the camera over so that you can see what I'm seeing here on our dashboard. And this is our WinSlate dashboard that has all of our pre-built grid sets on it. Let me tilt this forward just a hair. That looks pretty good. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to use a method called eye tracking where I just look at targets. So I'm going to look down at the computer control here and bring up the SMS accessible app. So this is the string of communications, and I've already been talking to myself today, the Clayton one. I do a lot of talking to myself these days, so I'm going to select new, and the software asks for which recipient do you want to send to. I only have one contact, only one friend. I'll select myself and choose write message. So we'll just say hello, HEL, and there it is in my word prediction. I'll even put an exclamation mark there. And now with that queued up in my message window, I'll press send and the send button again, and we'll watch the phone here to see if in fact that pops up. Okay, there it is. So that message was sent from that Android phone, but using our WinSlate. So let's take a look. I'll write back, how are you? And send that. And it usually takes a moment for that to show back up, and what we'll get, and I'll show you here, is we'll actually get a notification in the software that we have a message. So I could be maybe using my device to type something totally different to somebody totally different. And this progress marker that you're seeing is indicating when the selection is going to be made. So I'll say I am. And maybe I want to go back out and just check my messages. And there's my SMS right there. So I'm going to go. And I see my string of communication. And this little progress marker down here means that something is coming. So I can jog through different messages. Okay, I just got a new SMS notification from Clayton, so it took a little while. And if I want to see it, I can scroll up and then hit open and see my conversation list again. So you can imagine how nice that is to be able to send and receive text messages and communicate via text using your WinSlate, alternate access methods, in this case eye tracking, but other access methods as well, like scan switches or head mouse. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. You can always learn more at our YouTube channel, and of course by visiting our website at forbesaac.com. Have a great day, and thank you.